Meaning of facetiousness.
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 Facetiousness. Facetiousness is the act of being frivolous or flippant, often in an inappropriate or offensive manner. It involves a tendency to make inappropriate jokes or comments, particularly in serious situations, which can lead to disrespect or offense towards others. While it may be intended as harmless humor, it can come across as insensitive or disrespectful. In some cases, facetiousness can be used to mask deeper issues or insecurities. Overall, it's important to be mindful of how our words and actions affect those around us, and to approach serious situations with empathy and respect.